Welcome to Power BI Demo Channel. Today's topic, Power BI Time Intelligence DAX function. Today we will look at commonly used time intelligent DAX function, which is ENDOFMONTH. This DAX function returns the last date of the month in the current context for the specified columns of the date. It can also be used to determine the date when an invoice payment is due. For example, here we have a product sale table, and on this product sale table we have 5 columns: date, product, quantity, cost, and total cost. So once we apply our function on the date column, which is ENDOFMONTH, it's gonna give us the end date of each row. So it's gonna come here and it's gonna look 0102, which is February 2020, and it's going to give us on 28/02/2020 because that's the last date of that month. Again, it's going to come again on loop on this row itself here, and you look and you see this is 1st of March 2020, and it's going to give us 31st of the March 2020, and this will happen all to the rows of each and every column date. Let's see how this is applicable on a DAX and Power BI environment. So here I have already preloaded the table, which is a product sale table. And now we're going to go ahead and apply our DAX function. So as usual, we create a new measure by clicking those 3 dots, ellipses, then a new measure. So our new measure is called end of the month. So again, that's the name of our new measure. Again, once you're starting a DAX function, we start with equals, and then the name of the DAX function, which is end of the month. There we go. And then it requires the name of the table, which is a product sale, and the name of the column, which is the date. Close the bracket if you're happy with the formula. Commit. So we bring our new card, and that is our function end of the month. And what we can do, we can format the date. Okay, there we go. So now we can test our function, and you can see there is giving us on that particular month of February is a 29, and that's how the end of the month function operates.